So I saw a design that I really wanted to try, but it was in the oval shape and I didn't have oval tips. So we went ahead and we are going to create oval tips today from these medium coffin tips that I have. I already installed them using the Gel X method already, and we just need to file them down to create oval tips. Now, I am working underneath the nail so I could see what I'm doing, and I'm using 100 by 180 grit file. I'm using the 100 side because it's smoother, it's easier to work with. And we're going from side to side in that fluid motion that you see here underneath the nail, so we can see what we're doing and we don't over file one side, because if you over file one side, trust me, that's it, unless you want to file all the other nails down to a shorter length to kind of catch back the shape. So we're going very gently, we're doing it smoothly, and we're taking our time back to back, side to side, so we can see what we're doing until we eventually create the shape. I wanted the tips to be a bit more tapered at the end. I don't know if you guys know this YouTuber. Her name is amzn.to. I'm trying to create the shapes that she always has her nails in. I'm absolutely in love. And after a couple of filing, this is what we end up with. I already did all my other fingers, and that's what we're working in. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow to see how I actually do the designs on my nails. I already have my base on. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye for now.